Programming a smart key fob for your 2015-2020 Cadillac Escalade can often be done at home if you have a working key. First, ensure your Escalade is in accessory mode. Key in the ignition, turn to the on position without starting the engine. Next, use either the fob or the interior door lock switch to cycle the driver's side door locks 5 times. After cycling the locks, press and hold the lock button on the fob you are programming until the vehicle responds. You might hear a chime or see the lights flash. This process syncs the fob's unique ID with your Escalade's body control module, BCM. If your Escalade has a driver information center, DIC, ensure the BCM is in programming mode via the DC menu. You can program up to 8 fobs this way. Remember, a compatible fob, GM part numbers like 132578953 for 2015-2019 models or 1359952 for 2020, and a healthy car battery above 12.6 volts are essential for success. Always perform this procedure safely, never while driving. If programming fails, check the fob's battery first. It's usually a CR2032 type, and replacing it can resolve many issues. Signal interference from other devices can also disrupt the pairing process. Common failures stem from outdated BCM software or a faulty fob. About 70% of DIY attempts succeed, but these are the main causes when they don't. If problems persist, an OBD2 scanner can help diagnose issues with the vehicle's systems. This tool connects to the onboard diagnostics port and can reveal BCM or other module errors that might prevent programming. For 2015-2017 Escalades affected by GM recalls for faulty BCMs, standard DIY programming often fails. These vehicles need professional help with a Tech 2 scanner for firmware updates. This ensures the body control module functions correctly for key programming. While DIY programming works for most cases, seek professional help for complex scenarios or if the key system has been tampered with. This prevents security lockouts and ensures proper setup. Key fob cloning has become a growing security concern. If you suspect your key has been compromised, consider a security update to strengthen the radio frequency signals. For post-2020 Escalades and those with recent software updates, enhanced security measures may require OnStar integration or a dealer visit for programming.